So just taking a little look at Verasity here on the daily time frame, then we can see today we are heading down a little bit more to the downside, with the markets overall just looking a bit boring today and a little bit sideways. We've had Bitcoin going sideways for basically the majority of the past 3 or 4 days after we did see that big retracement on Friday, after the Bitcoin ETF got approved, obviously. Since then we have seen the market pretty much just going sideways in general, getting a little bit boring. You can see on the hourly here for Verasity that really not much has happened since last week. Really, we've obviously come into this little bit of a range here between this 0 to 3 Fibonacci level at 0.5%, as we've been talking about before, and up here around a 6.5%, which was this previous area of support being tested as resistance. Really not that much going on with Verasity in this short term area here. Really, we've just had that breakout of last year's big descending wedge. We've come up obviously into our Fibonacci level, and then we're coming back down and so currently sitting pretty much at support, just waiting to see what happens next. As always, not that much going on. The majority of the time we are just chopping sideways. Verasity is going to do really well in this bull market, in my opinion. I still think that everything is in place for it to do really well. Obviously a lot of people getting bored, saying a lot of random stuff on Twitter, blah blah blah. People always like love to complain about things, but in my opinion, really not that much in the way of anything wrong with the price action of Verasity right now. Still just consolidating during this bear market, but the bull market gets closer every day, and I do think in a few months time we will start seeing some cryptos moving to the upside in a big way. And I think Verasity has definitely got the potential, in my opinion, to start doing some moves up through these Fibonacci levels. You can see all the clear targets up here on my chart haven't changed. Things continuing to the sideways right now, but we will see some up only action this year. But I think once we hit that bull market alt season, we're definitely going to start seeing some good movement for Verasity, in my opinion. So not much going on today. We are just waiting for that bull market to commence.